अक्सर हमें शोबिस की दुनिया को देख के लगता है कि कहाँ हमारे ये टेलीविजन या बॉलीवुड के सितारों ने कोई ज्यादा मेहनत करी होगी। लेकिन सच्चाई तो ये है कि बहुत से ऐसे एक्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने रात दिन सुबह शाम बहुत से ऑडिशंस दिए हैं, बहुत से धक्के खाए हैं और बहुत सारी मेहनत करने के बाद आज उस मुकाम पे पहुंचे हैं जहाँ पे हम सभी लोग उनको बहुत पसंद करते हैं, उनके बारे में लिखते हैं, बात करते हैं और उनको देखना और मिलना चाहते हैं। जहां बॉलीवुड में बहुत से ऐसे एक्टर्स हैं जो नेपोटिज्म के कारण अपना नाम बना रहे हैं, जो स्टार किड्स होने के कारण ऑफर्स ले रहे हैं, वहीं दूसरी ओर बहुत से ऐसे हमारे एक्टर्स बखूबी अपना काम कर रहे हैं और अपनी एक्टिंग स्किल्स से हम लोगों का मनोरंजन कर रहे हैं। Even though people believe that nepotism won't work and only good actors can shine in the Bollywood industry, the stark truth out here is that most of the talent won't get a chance to showcase their talent in the movies. Well, in the newcomers roundtable, Siddhant Chaturvedi, who is also an outsider, said brilliantly about the type of the struggles that strugglers and the star kids do. Well, he spotted the difference and explained it in the bang-on manner. He said that the struggle is totally different for both of them. As strugglers' struggle ends with getting a movie deal, while star kids' struggle starts to prove themselves when they get a moving deal. Thus, star kids' struggle begins when a wannabe actor's struggle ends. Well, to explain better, we have put across a bunch of those talented actors who have never had a godfather, a push on their back, or maybe a bigger name behind their back. And yet, they have managed to ace their characters, their roles, and have managed to keep us hooked with their acting skills on the Bollywood ki 70mm screen. Beginning up with Irfan Khan. Well, the late actor is one of the most talented actors you will come across and has gained a global fame because of his acting skills and screen presence. He's certainly the role model for many wannabe actors out there. Irfan Khan made a name for himself despite the stardom of all these great actors and emerging star kids back then. The next one being Priyanka Chopra. Well, the gorgeous and the stunning beauty, just like Irfan Khan, also gained a global fame with her acting skills. Well, she was accused by the Cut magazine of being a global scam artist. Even then, Priyanka enjoys a massive fan following. However, Priyanka is getting respected in both Hollywood and Bollywood cinema. It seems like that the fans have been loving and adoring her from the day one as she stepped in the industry. Her struggle is something that we all talk and discuss about. Rajkumar Rao. Rajkumar is finally considered as a bigger player in the industry after his stellar performance in Shahid and Omerta. The actor is a complete outsider and only exists in the industry because of his acting skills and talent. Well, the actor is a great orator and you will agree if you see his interview with Farah Khan. Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Well, Nawaz became everyone's favorite after the release of Gangs of Wasseypur series. Even the A-listers from Bollywood industry appreciated his acting skills and talent. For instance, Varun Dhawan was like a fanboy during the shoots of Badlapur. But not only that, Nawazuddin enjoys a huge fan base and all his fans cannot stop talking about his talent and his work. Even Shah Rukh Khan said Nawaz is a true actor and his reflection on him made him shine too. Next being Sushant Singh Rajput. Indeed, it's an unfortunate news that the actor committed suicide because of depression on 14 June 2020. However, he was one of the shining stars in the Bollywood industry who made it big by all in all his talent and his struggles. Sushant was not only popular in the Bollywood industry but also a huge name to be acknowledged in the television industry. Well, he was quite known for his character of Manav, that was his debut role in Pavitra Rishta, that was Ekta Kapoor's show. His chemistry with his ex-girlfriend in the show, Ankita Lokhande, was something that the fans could not stop talking and gushing about. Well, Sushant has done some fantastic films like MS Dhoni biopic, Byomkesh Bakshi, Chichore, Kai Poche and a lot many others. Kartik Aaryan. Kartik is getting a lot of fame after his release of Sonu Ki Tito Ki Sweetie. However, he has been a part of the industry for a very long time. Kartik has struggled to reach where he is today. Well, his monologue from Pyar Ka Panchnama series was the highlight of his work and passion for the movies and also his acting skills. Well, for the longest time possible, the fans could not stop talking about that particular monologue that he said in the movie. Siddhant Chaturvedi. Well, he indeed turned out to be like an underdog who got acknowledged after his role in Gully Boy. After the release of Gully Boy, Siddhant Chaturvedi aka MC Sher became one of the popular characters. People started knowing and acknowledging his presence more. His talent was appreciated and fans could not stop talking about his acting skills. He's one of those who made an iconic statement in the newcomers roundtable. Now he's all set to make his grand debut in Bunty or Bubbly sequel. Kangana Ranaut, or better we can call her as a lady who would never stop fighting for the wrong happening in front of her. Kangana is always in the news for her bold statements. However, Kangana has a million of fans and they all appreciate her for her boldness to reveal industry secrets and her acting skills as well. Kangana has never given up and never has bent in front of all these rules and regulations that the industry has put across her and has never ever taken a plate served in front of her. She's always managed to struggle, strive and then achieve what she actually wanted to achieve. This is the reason that she's emerged as a queen of the Bollywood industry. Taapsee Pannu. Another actress who's getting popularity because of her acting skills is Taapsee Pannu. Well, she has proved herself with a number of different roles she's played in the films and it seems like the fans acknowledge and love her work. Ayushmann Khurrana. Ayushmann is a perfect example of how an outsider will enter into the industry and ace his role and set his mark. He's famous for picking up all the quirky scripts. Little you know that he has done serials, reality shows before making a grand debut in the industry. Well, indeed Ayushmann is a chocolate boy of the industry that the female fan followings cannot stop talking about. His work in Andhadhun was something that the fans and everyone has loved and appreciated. Randeep Hooda. Randeep didn't have any contact when he entered the Bollywood industry. Movies by movies, he grew up and created a huge fan base for himself. And today, Randeep is a name to reckon with. Now Randeep is one of the most dedicated actors working in the industry. Kapil Sharma. Well, we've all grown up watching his struggle and how he has worked out his way to enter into the Bollywood industry. He started with Laughter Challenge, then he worked in the comedy nights for years, later he started his show and then finally did movies as well. Well, during the whole journey of Kapil Sharma, there were many times when Kapil fell, but he never lost hope. He always made up his mind that he is going to achieve what he has always wanted to achieve and today he indeed has achieved and made a mark for himself. Anurag Kashyap. Anurag's story is a perfect example of how an outsider would break into Bollywood industry. He has created a niche for himself and the whole industry appreciates him for his great work in the industry also. Vikrant Massey. Last but not the least, a new star is rising in a very similar way that Sushant Singh Rajput came into the industry. Vikrant Massey started his career as TV actor. He's also trained dancer and rose to fame after his stellar performances in web series and movies. ये तो सारे वो कलाकार थे जिन्होंने किसी भी मदद के बिना अपना नाम और अपनी पहचान इस इंडस्ट्री में बनाई है बट आज भी ऐसे बहुत से कलाकार हैं वहां जो अपनी इंडस्ट्री में पहचान बनाने के लिए रोज स्ट्रगल करते हैं. Well, you do tell us if you have in mind any other artists that we have missed here and also what are your viewpoints upon this particular video. Until then, stay tuned to Telechocker for all the more updates for the Tele world. All about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechocker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.